Everyone dreams of making money while they sleep. It's the ultimate financial goal, earning without trading hours for dollars. But here's the truth: in 2025, the rules have changed. Between inflation, AI disruption, and a shifting global economy, the path to passive income looks very different than it did even 5 years ago. So today, let's explore 7 proven ways to earn while you sleep in 2025. What's real, what's hype, and how to actually make these systems work for you. 1. Digital products and automation, the new digital gold rush. In 2025, digital products remain one of the most powerful passive income streams, but they've evolved. It's no longer about tossing up an ebook and waiting for sales. It's about automation plus audience alignment. People are craving solutions, not just content. That means instead of random digital guides, the winners in 2025 are selling AI tools and templates that save time, interactive Notion dashboards, printable planners and systems on Etsy, micro courses built around a single high-value skill. The secret? Build once. Automate forever. You create the product, build a simple sales funnel, and let email or AI chatbots handle marketing while you sleep. Automation platforms like ConvertKit, Systeme.io, and Gumroad now integrate AI follow-ups that adapt messages based on buyer behavior, meaning your store literally runs itself. It's not effortless, but once you set it up, it becomes as close to true passive income as you'll find. Think of digital products as digital real estate. You build them once, and they can pay you for years. 2. YouTube automation channels. Faceless, scalable, profitable. Next up, YouTube automation channels. In 2025, YouTube is still the king of long-term passive income, but you don't have to be on camera anymore. Using AI voiceovers, stock footage, and script writing tools like ChatGPT, Runway, and 11 Labs, you can create faceless finance, tech, or story channels that earn ad revenue month after month. The key is consistency and quality. YouTube rewards watch time, not just uploads. So the best automation creators focus on high-value storytelling, videos that educate, entertain, or emotionally engage viewers. And here's the secret: YouTube income compounds. Once your library hits 50 to 100 videos, your channel starts generating consistent views. And that means AdSense checks that keep arriving even when you take a break. Beyond ads, add affiliate links, digital products, or sponsorships, and you've turned one video into 3 income streams. In 2025, faceless YouTube channels aren't just trends, they're cash-flowing digital assets. 3. Dividend stocks and ETFs, the classic that still works. Not every passive income stream needs to be digital. Some of the best ones are timeless. Dividend investing still ranks among the most reliable ways to earn while you sleep, because it's literally designed to pay you while you do nothing. When you own dividend-paying stocks or ETFs, companies share a portion of their profits with you, usually quarterly. In 2025, stable dividend yields are averaging around 4 to 6%, with top performers like Johnson & Johnson, PepsiCo, and SCHD ETF remaining investor favorites. The trick is consistency. Reinvest your dividends and let compound interest work silently in the background. A $10,000 portfolio earning 6% dividends can grow to over $32,000 in 20 years without new deposits. That's the quiet power of time and patience. And here's something many overlook: dividend income grows faster when you reinvest automatically. Platforms like Fidelity, Vanguard, or M1 Finance do this seamlessly. No clicks, no effort. You don't get rich overnight, but you build financial peace that lasts decades. 4. Real estate, now powered by fractional investing. In the past, you needed thousands to buy property, but in 2025, fractional real estate platforms like Fundrise, Arrived, and REITs let you own a slice of income-generating property, starting with as little as $10. This means you can earn rental income and property appreciation without ever fixing a leaky faucet. REITs, real estate investment trusts, work similarly. They pay dividends from rental profits and commercial holdings. The catch? Choose the right type. In 2025, industrial warehouses and multifamily housing outperform luxury condos and office spaces. Real estate remains a hedge against inflation. When prices rise, rent often rises too. And while it's not as fast as crypto or YouTube cash flow, it provides steady, tangible returns. That's why even in an AI-driven world, real estate stays a top pick for long-term passive wealth. 5. AI tools and subscription reselling. Here's a new one that didn't exist 5 years ago: AI subscription reselling. In 2025, thousands of small businesses and freelancers pay for AI services, but they don't know how to use them efficiently. That's where you come in. You can purchase enterprise-level AI tools like Jasper, Midjourney, or Writesonic at bulk or affiliate rates, then resell access or offer AI as a service bundles. Example, you buy a premium ChatGPT plan and package it into an AI assistant subscription for small teams. You manage prompts, updates, and automation for them, and charge a monthly fee. Or you set up pre-built AI workflows for lead generation, video editing, or customer emails using Zapier and Make, and sell them on marketplaces like Gumroad. The margins? Often 80 to 90%. AI has opened an entirely new economy, not just using tools, but monetizing access and expertise. The smartest 2025 entrepreneurs aren't building the AI, they're building the businesses around it. 6. Licensing your work. The silent income stream. Imagine uploading a video, a song, or even a photo once and getting paid over and over again. That's licensing, one of the most underrated forms of passive income in 2025. Platforms like Pond5, Shutterstock, Epidemic Sound, and Envato are constantly buying user-generated content for use in ads, shows, and brand videos. AI has made content production easier, but human creativity still wins in originality. So if you can create sound effects or music tracks, stock photos or B-roll, short animated clips, you can upload once and collect royalties for years. Some creators earn thousands a month from libraries they built years ago. And now, thanks to AI editing and generation tools, creating and polishing content takes hours, not days. So even if you're not an artist, licensing platforms are ready-made engines for recurring revenue. Your creative ideas become income machines. 7. Peer-to-peer lending and DeFi 2.0. Lastly, a newer yet powerful stream: peer-to-peer lending and DeFi investing. In 2025, platforms like Aave, Compound, and Prosper let you lend money directly to others or stake crypto assets for yield without traditional banks. DeFi 2.0 has matured. It's safer, regulated, and better integrated with real-world finance. You can earn 5 to 10% annual interest simply by providing liquidity, essentially becoming your own mini bank. However, this comes with risk. If the market shifts or projects fail, you can lose capital, so only invest money you can afford to leave untouched. The passive part comes from compounding returns and reinvested yields. Even traditional P2P platforms now use AI to evaluate borrower creditworthiness, making default risks lower than ever. Think of this as digital lending with automated risk control. When done wisely, it's another powerful way to make your money work while you rest. The mindset behind true passive income. Before we wrap up, here's the truth most people avoid saying. Passive income is never passive at the start. You'll invest time, money, energy, and patience before the returns begin. But every system you build, every automation, every dividend reinvestment, every workflow moves you closer to independence. In 2025, the smartest investors think like engineers. They design financial systems that generate predictable results. Start with one idea from this list. Don't chase everything. Perfect one model, automate it, then scale. Once you have your first $100 of passive income, the next $1,000 becomes predictable. That's how you break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. And when you finally reach that point, when money flows in while you sleep, it's not luck. It's systemized success. So there you have it, the 7 most realistic ways to earn passive income in 2025. They're not get-rich-quick schemes. They're build smart systems. Because in this new economy, you don't have to work harder. You just have to work smarter. If you found this helpful, hit like, share this with a friend, and subscribe to Finance Simplified, channel for more smart money tips. Because the best investment you'll ever make is in yourself.